Hi friends, welcome back to the Robertson Rottie Ranch here in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains. Today we're talking about one of the sweetest things growing on our homestead, strawberries. And not just a handful. Here at the ranch, we grow day-neutral strawberries in 7 full GreenStalk towers, which means we're caring for 210 thriving strawberry plants. Yeah, 210. It's like having our own little berry forest stacked right on top of itself. One of the best things about day-neutral varieties is that they don't follow the traditional once-a-year harvest. Instead, they produce fruit throughout the growing season, sending out berries steadily from the spring all the way to the fall. And here at the ranch, with our microclimate and tower system, we can extend that production even further. And let me tell you, when you walk through the yard and you see those towers just dripping with blossoms and fruit, it is pure magic. Fresh berries whenever we want them. And yes, the Rottweilers definitely believe some of those berries belong to them. They will happily sample any fruit close to nose level. The chickens too, especially our Cemani and our rainbow flock. Chickens love strawberries. They're safe, hydrating, vitamin-rich, and they make excellent enrichment snacks. Just scatter a few around the yard and the hens act like they just hit the jackpot. So why do we grow strawberries besides the fact that they're absolutely delicious? Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, folate, fiber, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds. They support immune health, skin health, heart health, digestion, and even help regulate blood sugar. They're one of the highest antioxidant fruits that you can grow in a compact space, which makes them an incredible option for homesteaders who want high nutrition per square foot. And if you've ever tasted a homegrown strawberry compared to a store-bought one, you already know the flavor isn't even in the same category. Strawberries are picked early, shipped long distances, and bred to survive the freight. But homegrown berries, they're picked fully ripe, bursting with sweetness, and warm from the sun. And that's the kind of food your body recognizes instantly. Real, vibrant, nutrient-dense. Another benefit of growing in GreenStalk towers is the reduced pest pressure. Fewer slugs, fewer soil-borne issues, and a lot easier harvesting. No bending, no crawling, no digging through patchy ground-level beds. And because the plants are stacked vertically, watering and feeding them is efficient and controlled. Perfect for big harvest in small spaces. Strawberries are also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Fresh eating, dehydrating, canning, jams, syrups, smoothies, baked goods, and my favorite, freeze-drying. If you've never tried freeze-dried strawberry powder on yogurts, desserts, or herbal teas, you're missing out. And the best part of making a salad? Going out to get this beautiful red, sweet, juicy fruit to add right to it. Freshly picked, there's nothing like it. So here at the ranch, strawberries aren't just a snack. They're part of our food security plan, our herbal wellness practice, and honestly, part of the joy of living close to the land. There's nothing like stepping outside, plucking a ripe berry, and knowing it came from soil you tended with your own hands. Now I have to ask, do you grow strawberries at home? And if you do, what kind? June bearing, ever bearing, day neutral like us? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for spending some time here with us at the Robertson Rottie Ranch. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think a couple of Rottweilers just helped themselves to our harvest again. We'll see you next time.